Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can view all recent pictures and videos in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen or in the app screen, open up gallery. Now in gallery, you want to go down to the bottom and tap on the menu key. From the pop-up menu, tap on recent. This will allow you to view all your recent photos and videos. So just simply scroll up and down to view all your pictures. And that's it. So that is how you can filter them out by recent. Tapping on the more button will allow you to edit and select photos. You can also add recent to the home screen as well. So tap on add to home screen. This will add the shortcut to the home screen. So here tap on add and that will add the shortcuts to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.